Before I let you go, I'll quickly take 1 more minute of your time and I'll shoot some questions at you and you'll have to be very, very quick.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. When was the last time you cried?
I honestly cried a few days back when, I mean, I'm not saying this for anything for effect, but I did cry on the 7th of May when just that feeling of being at home, so safe. And we know that our army is at the border and I come from Jammu. So, I knew, like I was in touch with my family. I was talking to my cousin and he was like, we're all sitting, it's dark and blackout here. And, he sent me videos of the drones and missiles. So I just had this huge sense of, I don't know, gratitude mixed with, I don't know, like scare that, this is, and also just, it was too overwhelming to know that there are army men out there fighting for us, while I am sitting peacefully in my house in Bombay, doing whatever the hell I want to do. So I cried, I remember, and I just quickly started doing my prayers because, So yeah, that was...
Okay. Who's your favorite female co-star?
That's an interesting question. No one's ever asked me that. My favorite female co-star... Every co-star I've worked with, I love them all. They're just... I think I would go with Nimrat. She was the last one I worked with. Even Raashii, even Vaani, everybody I think I've worked with. Right from my first show, everybody. But I don't know.
Okay, all right, okay. A contemporary whose body of work you really admire?
A contemporary?
Yeah.
Barun Sobti. I know he's a guy, but...
So what? It's okay.
Yeah, I want to do everything that every guy is doing. Ishan, Babil. I want to do all their work.
Yeah.
I want all the women to keep doing the work they do. I don't want to take any of their works, but all the men, I want to do their work.
Yeah, I mean, these two names that you've taken, they're doing really great for themselves. Okay, Ridhi, which is the meanest rumor you have heard about yourself?
I don't think I'm that... Have you heard any mean rumors?
About you? No.
Yeah, I haven't heard anything either. Maybe I should ask around. I don't know.
All right, okay. Something that we don't know about the following co-stars of yours.
Oh.
Okay? Barun Sobti.
He has ADHD. Do you know that?
Yeah, actually, Crystal had told me once.
Crystal?
Yeah.
Crystal's worked with Barun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, so then they know that.
I mean, I knew it.
What else? I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Please
about
go
Barun.
ahead.
What else? He can eat anything on this planet. And he's always up for a good time. He doesn't need sleep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lucky
and he mumbles. But that's what everybody knows. He doesn't talk, he mumbles. You have to understand what he's trying to say.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan.
How will I know? I also want to know things about him. I don't...
Anything that you noticed him doing, which maybe a lot of people do not know?
That he's still, he doesn't take his stardom for granted. I saw it. Like, I saw it live. You know, his enthusiasm when he was acting. I mean, I've spoken about this before, but, you know, just the fact that it was a very long shot and I could see the theatre person in him, I think. It was a very long shot and Shah Rukh had to, we all had to do a lot of things and he was exactly like how all of us are. You know, he had no stardom in him. He came up to me and he... Matlab, camera बहुत दूर है and you just have to establish the scene, okay? So he just came up to me and he started mumbling something and he went away. And when cut happened, he told me, he said, listen, you're my mother. So I'm just coming and talking to you, okay? I said, like I was waving like Om from Om Shanti Om throughout Jawan, okay? I'm just like, whatever you say, like... So, yeah, I felt that, you know, when he came up to me and he doesn't have to.
He doesn't have to, that's correct.
But when he did that, I just felt like, man, he still has that, you know, probably he learned that in his theatre years, but he still has that. The stardom is not gone to him.
Right. Vikrant Massey?
What can I tell you about him? He's a very Simple
or simp? What did you...
No. I want to say that he's very simple, intense person. He's very simple.
I actually get what you're saying.
Hai na?
Yeah.
It's very, very simple, very basic person, you know. Very, like, he's got his priorities right. So all of that, I think he's very clear about his things, but he's very intense. Too intense. Like throughout the promotion of Sabarmati, we were like, I think you should get into politics.
Really?
Yeah, me and Raashii were like, you're ready.
Oh, God.
We said it as a joke, guys.
Of course. But on that note, Ridhi, thank you so much for this chat. I really look forward to what you do next. Hopefully another film with Shah Rukh Khan on the cards.
It
Hopefully.
has to happen. It has to.
It has to happen, of course.
I can't be in prosthetics. That can't be my memory. I have to like change that memory.
Of being his mother.
Yes. Like before I leave this planet, I have to get like something to wipe that off.
Absolutely. No, that will happen. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Ridhi Dogra and you're watching me on News 18.